What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a maintenance wash on this brand new 2022 Toyota RAV4, and this is actually the plug-in hybrid version, and it's in this really cool like cherry red color. As you guys can see, it actually looks really good in person. The camera isn't quite doing it justice, but anyway, as we get into that, I'm just going to be showing you my process of what I do on a normal maintenance detail like this. So as you guys can see, we're just starting with the wheel wells. I'll just spray my cleaner in there, and then you guys can see I'll agitate it with a brush. And this kind of goes from case to case, or goes case by case from car to car, because some cars you won't need to use a brush, some cars you will. It just depends on how dirty it is and whatnot. But this car does kind of live on a gravel road, so it really does kind of need a more aggressive cleaning in all areas. But then once you guys can see, once I've agitated the wheel wells, tires, wheel faces, and wheel barrels, we're just rinsing it all off. And then we're moving on to the pre-rinsing stage on the actual car. And this will just remove any loose dirt. And then you can see we're using the foam cannon. And then this is just going to kind of lift up and encapsulate any other dirt that it can lift up. So it won't clean the car, but it will make it easier when we actually wash the car, and will aid in kind of lubricating it. So then we are moving on to our hand wash right here, and you guys can see it's really nothing more than just hand washing the car with a wash mitt. And we just want to put the wash mitt back into the wash bucket every one or two panels, kind of depending on how dirty they are. Here I'm spraying a drying aid on the car to kind of make the water beat up a little bit better and just kind of help with rinsing and drying. And then you guys can see we're just going to spray wax and dry the car right here. And this process is pretty straightforward. We're just going to spray some spray wax on each panel and then just dry it, as you guys can see me doing here. And then you guys can just kind of look at the after result. And once again, it looks really good when it's clean. This color just really pops, and it even looks better, like I said, in real life. But if you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate. Feel free to reach out at any time, and we will see you guys in the next video.